Act 4, Scene 1, page number 129. In the previous video, we had seen that once the court proceeding was finished, Shylock left the court. Then, after that, what happened? So, that we have to discuss now, that we have to learn. Duke says, "Sir, entreat you home with me to dinner." Then Duke said to Portia, that is, "Sir, I entreat you." Entreat means invite. "I invite you to my home to have dinner with me." Then Portia replied, "I humbly do desire your grace of pardon. I must away this night toward Padua, and it is meet I presently set forth." Then what she says to Duke, that "I humbly do desire your grace of pardon." So she said, that is, "I ask for your grace for pardon." That is, I ask your grace, that I ask my Lord for forgiveness. That is, you forgive me for this time to have dinner with you. I must away this night toward Padua. That is, I have to go to Padua this night only. That is, today night only. I have to leave for Padua. I have to go back, and it is meet I presently set forth. And she says that it is meet. Meet means necessary. That is, it is necessary that I have to start my journey immediately. Then only I will be able to reach there by night time. Then after this, Duke says, "I am sorry that your leisure serves you not. Antonio, gratify this gentleman, for in my hand you are much bound to him." Then what Duke says here, that is, "I am sorry that your leisure serves you not." So Duke says to Portia that I am sorry, that is, I really feel pity for this, I really feel sorry for this, that you don't have free time, okay, spare time. Leisure is there, leisure means free time or spare time. That is, I really feel sorry that you do not have time to spare here. Then Duke said to Antonio that, "Antonio, gratify this gentleman." Then Duke asked Antonio to be thankful to this gentleman. And who is this gentleman? Portia, because she only had saved life of Antonio. So here, Antonio, gratify this gentleman, that is, you reward something him, be thankful to him as he saved your life. For in my mind. And then Duke said, for means here because, okay, because in my mind, that is, because according to me, what I think, you are much bound to him, that is, you are much indebted to him, okay. Then after saying this, Duke, Magnificus and train, that is, Duke and the other people and his attendant all left the place. Now who all are left there in the court of justice? Portia is there, Nerissa is there as her clerk, Antonio, Gratiano and Bassanio. Only these 5 people are there in the court. Then Bassanio said, "Most worthy gentleman, I and my friend have by your wisdom been this day acquitted of grievous penalties, in lieu whereof 3,000 ducats due unto the Jew we freely cope your courteous pains withal." Now what Bassanio said to Portia? He said to Portia, because he was not knowing Portia, that this lawyer who is there, he himself is Portia, because Portia had disguised herself, okay, she had changed her appearance, she was in the looks of men, so he can never expect Portia to be here in court of justice. So he said to the lawyer, that is Portia, "Most worthy gentleman." So he said that you are most worthy, most respected, most valuable gentleman, I and my friend have by your wisdom been this day acquitted of grievous penalties. So Bassanio said, that is, I and my friend, that is Antonio, that I and my friend Antonio have by your wisdom, that is, by your wisdom, by your good wisdom, we have relieved from the grievous penalties. Grievous penalties means, that is, such a penalty with which we could have also give up our lives, okay. So he said, that is, we are saved by your wisdom only, by your intelligence only. Wisdom here means intelligence, that it is by your intelligence that life of my and my friend is saved today. In lieu whereof, now in lieu whereof, you can see, look other side, point number 426, that is in return for which, that is as you have saved our lives from giving up, so in return of which, that is in return of this 3000 ducats, that is 3000 ducats which was due to give to the Jew. Okay, that is in return of which 3000 ducats due unto the Jew. Due unto the Jew means that is which was due to be given to the Jew. We freely cope your courteous pains withal. That is, we freely cope your courteous pains withal. That is, here freely cope means most willingly pay. That is, we were supposed to give this to Duke as dues, but now what we want to do, that is now we most willingly want to pay it for the kind services that you have given us. Okay, the trouble that you have taken for us, as you have saved our life and you have used your intelligence, so we want to give this 3000 ducats to you. And Antonio also said, and stand indebted over and above in love and service to you evermore. And then Antonio also said to Portia, and stand indebted. So he said, that is, and still we will remain indebted over and above, that is in addition of that also, that is 3000 ducats we know is not sufficient as you have saved our lives, but after giving this also we will remain indebted to you. Okay, and over and above, that is in addition, in love and service to you evermore. And in addition of this 3000 ducats, always we welcome you for our love and service. That is, whenever you require our help, whenever you require our services, we are always there for you. Then Portia replied, he is well paid, that is well satisfied, and I, delivering you, am satisfied, and therein do account myself well paid. My mind was never yet more mercenary. I pray you, know me when we meet again, and I wish you well, and so I take my leave. Now Portia, here what she replied, that he is well paid, that is well satisfied. So very nice proverb she used, that is, he is well paid, that the person one who does the service, he is paid at that time only when he is content, when he is satisfied. That if a person is satisfied with his job, with his services, so immediately he is paid. That is, money is not the thing with which one can be paid, but it is satisfaction of doing service that pays the person. And I delivering you, delivering you means that is saving you, and I, as I have saved you, I have saved your life, so I'm satisfied, and I'm also satisfied, and therein do account myself well paid. And in that account, that is in doing that, in saving your life, I feel that I am well paid for that. My mind was never yet more mercenary. And then she said that my intention, my mind means intention, my thought, that my thought was never interested in money, that I never thought of taking money from you. I pray you, that is I request you, know me when we meet again. And then she said, that is, you just know me. Know me means you recognize me whenever we shall meet again in future. I wish you well, and so I take my leave. And then Portia said that I wish you well, that I wish good life for you, and now I should go from here, I should take leave. Bassanio said, dear sir, of force I must attempt you further. Take some remembrance of us, as a tribute, not as a fee. Grant me two things, I pray you, not to deny me and to pardon me. Now what Bassanio said, dear sir, now to whom he is saying, to Portia. So he said, that is, dear sir, of force I must attempt you further. of force means that is of necessity. It is given point number 437. Okay, so what Bassanio said, that is of force, that is of necessity, I must attempt once more, that is I try to influence you further, that is once again I try to influence you, that I wish to give you something, that's why I try to influence you. Take some remembrance of us. Now Bassanio said that once more I try to influence you, I try to force you, so take some remembrance of us as a tribute. So some remembrance means that something that remind you of us, that you take something from us that reminds you of us as a tribute. Tribute means that is as a token of love. Okay, you take from us not as a fee, that is you don't consider that as a fee, but you take that as a token of respect from us. Grant me two things, I pray you, not to deny me and to pardon me. And then Bassanio said, you grant me two things. That is, you grant two things to me. That is, only you allow me, only you permit me. Now, grant means permit. So, Bassanio here is asking for permission. That is, you give me permission, you allow me to do two things. And what are those two things? He is asking at this moment that I pray you, that I request you not to deny me, that is this time don't refuse me to take anything from us. And second thing, that to pardon me, that is you forgive me, that as I am compelling you again to have something from us. It is very important, dear children, this point. Okay, that what are the two things Bassanio asked Portia to do. So what are the two things? That first is not to deny me, that is do not refuse me to take something, to give something to you, and to pardon me, that is you forgive me as I am compelling you once again to have something from us. Okay, once this point had come in exam as well. Now Portia said, she replied, you press me far and therefore I'll yield. Then Portia said, you press me far, that is you push me hard, that you are forcing me too much, so I will take something from you. I will yield, that is I will take something from you as you are forcing me again. Then Portia said to Antonio, she asked Antonio that give me your gloves, I will wear them for your sake. And then Portia said to Antonio, okay, you give me the gloves that you have, I will wear them for your sake. That is for your sake, that is to acknowledge your politeness, I will wear them and I will always remember you. And then after this to Bassanio, and then she said to Bassanio, and for your love I will take this ring from you. Now what Portia asked Bassanio, that is, and for your love, that is the love that you have for me and you are compelling me to have again and again something from you, so I will take this ring from you that you have in your finger. Do not draw back your hand. Now see, it was very critical moment for Bassanio, that is as Portia asked for the ring, as this lawyer asked for the ring from Bassanio, so he immediately took his hand at his back, because he doesn't want to give that ring. And why he doesn't want to give this ring to this lawyer? Because this ring was the first gift from his wife, that is Portia only gave him this ring, and at the time of presenting this ring to Bassanio, she made Bassanio to take an oath, that is she made Bassanio to swear that never you have to give this ring to anyone, never you have to lose it, nor you have to take this out of your finger. So these were the three oaths which Bassanio had taken at the time when he had put this ring into his finger. So here he immediately took his hand at his back, and then do not draw back your hand. So when Portia saw that as she asked for the ring, so he took his hand at back, so she said to Bassanio that do not draw back your hand, that don't take your hand at back, don't hide it, I will take no more, that is I will not ask for anything else, and you in love shall not deny me this. And you in love, that is in love means 445 number, you can see here, that, and you, out of love and gratitude, which you stated just now, so you should not deny me, that you should not refuse me now for by giving this. Bassanio said, "This ring, good sir, alas, it is a trifle. I will not shame myself to give you this." Now what Bassanio said, that is, "This ring, sir, you are asking, good sir, alas, it is a trifle." Now Bassanio was pretending as if he wants to give, but this is very small thing that you have asked for. Okay, so he said that it is very trifle. Trifle means insignificant thing. "I will not shame myself to give you this." That is, I will not shame myself, that I don't want to shame myself by giving you this small ring as a gift to you. Then Portia said, "I will have nothing else but only this." Now Portia also, she also became stubborn. वो भी ज़िद्दी बन गई और उसने बोला फिर से that I will have nothing else but only this, that I will not have anything else but only this ring I want now. And now methinks I have a mind to it, and now I think, methink, that is, it seems to me that now I want to have it, I want to have this ring only. Then Bassanio replied, "There's more depends on this than on the value. The dearest ring in Venice will I give you, and find it out by proclamation. Only for this I pray you pardon me." Then what Bassanio replied Portia, that there is more depends on this than on the value. So 450 number, you can see, children, other side, that the ring means more to me than its actual value. So here Bassanio said that is the meaning of this ring, that is the sentiments which are attached with this ring, so that is much more to me than its actual value. Now what kind of meaning or what kind of sentiments he is talking about, because this was the first present given to him by his wife, that is by Portia. So he said that the dearest ring in Venice will I give you. The dearest ring means that is the most expensive ring I will present you, which is there in Venice, and find it out by proclamation, and that also I will get, that the most expensive ring which is there in the Venice, that also I will get by public announcement. Okay, so that I will give to you. Only for this ring that you are asking, I request you, you forgive me. Then Portia said, "I see, sir, you are liberal in offers. You taught me first to beg, and now methinks you teach me how a beggar should be answered." Now Portia, now she started taunting Bassanio, and she said, "I see, sir, that you are liberal in offers, that you are very free in making offers." Liberal in offers means it is given 454, that is, you are very generous only in making offers and not in fulfilling them. "And now methink," that is, and now it seems to me that at first you taught me first to beg, that is, at first when I was not ready to take anything from you, so you taught me that how a person should beg, and when I asked for this ring, and now looking at that, it seems to me that now you are teaching me how a beggar should be answered. Then Bassanio replied. Now he was also feeling very sorry for this, that the way she replied, the way lawyer replied to him. So he said, "Good sir, the ring was given me by my wife, and when she put it in on, she made me vow that I should neither sell nor give nor lose it." Now what Bassanio said, Bassanio now told actual reason to this lawyer, that is disguised Portia, and what he said, that, "Good sir, this ring was given me by my wife, that is, this ring was given to me by my wife, and when she put it on, and at the time when she put this ring into my finger, she made me vow, that is, she made me to swear that I should never sell or nor give nor lose it, that is, neither I have to sell this ring, nor I have to give this ring to anyone, nor I have to lose it." Okay, now Portia, that excuse serves many men to save their gifts. Now Portia had made her mind, that is, she will surely take a ring from Bassanio. Anyhow, she will try. So here Portia said that excuse, that is such kind of excuses, serves many men. That is such kind of excuses makes many men to save their gifts. That is, by giving such kind of excuse, telling about their wives, they save their gifts. And if your wife be not a mad woman, and then Portia said that if your wife is not a mad woman, then and know how well I have deserved the ring, and once she will come to know that how well I deserved this ring, if she will come to know about this reason, she would not hold out enemy forever. That is, she will never hold out enemy. Hold out enemy means that is, she will never be angry with you once she will come to know about the reason that why you have given this ring to me. For giving it to me, well, peace be with you. And then she said, that is, well, if you don't want to give it to me because of your wife, so may you always remain in peace. That may you have always peaceful married life. Then after saying this, Portia and Nerissa, both of them left the court. Now who is left there? Antonio, Bassanio and Bresciano. Now Antonio said to Bassanio, once the lawyer, that is Portia, and her clerk, that is Nerissa, both of them left, Antonio said to Bassanio, my lord Bassanio, tell him have the ring. Let him have the ring. Let his deservings and my love withal be valued against your wife's commandment. Now what Bassanio said? What Antonio said to Bassanio, that my lord Bassanio, that is my dear friend Bassanio, let him have the ring. That is, let that lawyer have the ring. Let his deservings and my love withal be valued against your wife's commandment. And what he said, let his deservings. Now what is the meaning of deservings? So he said that what he deserves, and for what he deserves, that is for the services that he has given us. So he says, that is, my dear friend Bassanio, let him have the ring, and let his deservings, that is, let him have what he deserves, and my love withal be valued against your wife's commandment. That is, my love, that is the love that you have for me, so that also be valued against your wife's commandment. That is, as your wife has said that never to lose this ring. Okay, so you consider the love that you have for me much higher or highly than the wife's command. So be valued against your wife's command. Then after that, Bassanio said, now he was compelled to give this ring to that lawyer, that is to Portia. So and now who compelled Bassanio? This question may come, and it is there in the workbook also. Antonio compelled Bassanio to give his ring to Portia. And what reason he gave, how he compelled, what he said to Bassanio? So Antonio said that let the lawyer have the ring, let his deservings, that is, as he deserves for what he has done for us, he has saved our life, and you consider my love that you have for me, let that be valued highly than your wife's commandment. So saying this, Bassanio was compelled to give this ring to lawyer. Now Bassanio said, go Bresciano, run and overtake him. Then what Bassanio said to Bresciano, that is, go Bresciano, run and overtake him. That is, you run fast and overtake him, that is, catch that lawyer and clerk. Give him the ring, that is, you take this ring. Now he took out his ring and gave to Bresciano and told to give this ring to the lawyer and bring him, and you bring him here if you can't. So he says, that is, you try to bring him here, and if you won't be able to bring him, that is, if you cannot bring him after so much try also, then unto Antonio's house. Okay, sorry, here I went wrong. So what Bassanio said, go Bresciano, run and overtake him. So Bassanio said, that is, go Bresciano and you overtake that lawyer and catch him. give him this ring. And then Bassanio said, that is, you give this ring to him and bring him. That is, you give this ring, you present this ring to him, and you invite him, if you can't, unto Antonio's house. That is, you invite him to the Antonio's house. Okay, you invite him to Antonio's house. Away, make haste. So he immediately said, that is, you take this ring and catch him and give it, and you invite him to Antonio's house, bring him to Antonio's house. Away, that is, go fast from here and catch him. Now Bresciano left, and Bassanio said to Antonio, come, you and I will thither presently. And then he said, that is, you and I, Antonio, will go to your house. Thither means, that is, to your house we will go, Antonio, and in the morning early will we both fly toward Belmont. That is, and in the morning, early morning, we both will go to Belmont. Come, Antonio. Then after this, scene over. In the next video we shall have Act 4, Scene 2, which is very short scene, and within very less time we will finish that also. Thank you.